Good morning, all my dear students. College, KS College, Department, Mathematics, Semester 3rd, Dr. Arjun Kumar. Paper CC Math 306. Topic divisibility. Divisibility. An integer a is said to be divisible by an integer b not equal to 0 if there exists an integer q such that a equal to bq. It is denoted as b divides a. In other words, we can say that a is multiple of b. Example: 39 is divisible by 13 as 39 equal to 13 into 3, thus 13 divides 39. Note: if b divides a, then minus b also divides a, because a equal to bq, that implies a equal to minus b into minus q. Some important notes: for integer a, b, c and d, we have first a divide b and c divide d, that implies ac divide bd. Second, a divides b and b divide a, that implies a equal to plus minus b. Third, a divide b and b divide c, that implies a divide c. A divide b and a divide c, that implies a divide bx plus cy for all integer x, y. Theorem first: if c equal to ax plus by and d divides a but d does not divide c, then d does not divide b. We have d divides a, that implies there exists an integers q1 such that a equal to d q1, equation number 1. Therefore c equal to ax plus by equal to d q1 x plus by, that implies c equal to d q1 x plus by, equation 2. Again, suppose that d divide b, that implies there exists an integer q2 such that b equal to d q2, equation number 3. Therefore c equal to d q1 x plus d q2 y equal to q1 x plus q2 y into d, equal to d into q1 x plus q2 y, that implies c equal to d into q1 x plus q2 y, that implies d divides c, equation 4. Contrapositively, d does not divide c, that implies d does not divide b. Proved. Theorem second: if integer b divides a, positive integer a, then b is not numerically greater than a. Proof: we have b divides a, that implies there exists an integer q with mod q greater than or equal to 1 such that a equal to bq. Hence a equal to mod a equal to mod bq, that implies a equal to mod b into mod q, that implies a greater than or equal to mod b. Thus b is not numerically greater than a. Proved. Thank you.